Benjamin Makini. I just concluded my KCSE and I received my results. I had an A plane of 81 points. I really want to thank God for such a result. Also my teachers and my parents also. All my friends in class also motivated me towards such a success. Yeah. In future, I aspire to be a mechatronics engineer and help Kenya to become successful once again. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Amos Mwai. I'm happy for these results. I've received them. I thank my parents. I thank the school administration. I thank the school for supporting us. I aspire to be a doctor in future, and I hope my God will help me. As he says in the book of Jeremiah, I know the plans made for you, and it's the plans for prospering. So I hope going forward, I'm going to make it as a doctor. Thank you. Oh, okay. The journey has been tough, to be honest, since the COVID found us in 2020, and then coming out the journey 4 years. It has been hard, but we have made it. So I hope that going forward we'll be able to do well in the coming future learning institutions. Yes, I've got an A plane of 83 points, and I thank God for that.
Sir Agre Saiti Orina. I've just received my results. Personally got an A plane of 82 points. I thank God for the result. If not for the continued coordination of the teachers, parents, class teachers, and everyone else who ventured in this journey, I will not have done this. Personally, thank them all. In future, I'm aspiring to venture into medicine and become a neurosurgeon. Thankfully to God, I see the dream can be made possible. Thank you.
What was behind your success?
Behind my success, the continued motivation by the class teacher, my parents, and my classmates also. They always had confidence in me, told me to strive, and as per the school motto, I strived for excellence, and I'm now here.
My name is Nilson Machoka, the father to Benjamin, who was just spoken. I'm so grateful for the results that have just come out and for the success of our children who sat for the KCSE the year 2024. I want to thank the school management, headed by the principal and the staff, subordinate staff, and all the workers within for the good work that they have done to mold our children to become better so that they can become better in the new future. So I want to thank God for this far that he has brought our children, and for those ones who are yet to sit for exams that are ahead. I wish that they also work hard so that they can be better people in the future. May God bless everybody. My son has been so kind ever since he was born. He's a kind of person who's a one-spoken word person. And in terms of character-wise, he has been so good. And in terms of the rest of the siblings of the family, I want to thank God for the children that he had given us. So may God bless them as they grow up. Thank you.
Orina, father to Agre Saiti Orina, who was being a student in Kisii School, who has got an A plane of 82 points. I'm so happy for the results. I've been waiting for these results. I never expected that he'll be one of the top seekers, but God has allowed everything to happen. We thank him more than 1 billion times because he has brought us this far.
Where were you heading to when you got your results?
Okay, I was preparing to take a follower sister to Asumbi Girls when I got the results, and I was directed to bring him to school. And I was so happy that he's among the best. We should be visiting the school after the result release. Yeah.
Where's your spouse?
My spouse.
Kabla ongea.
Yes, I'm happy because my son has brought me to this far. So I want to thank God because He has given me the children who are proud, And I always want to thank him always. Thanks. Na walimu tulielewana vizuri, kila kitu ilikuwa sawa sawa na mtoto alikuwa anatii vizuri. Nawaambia mema na walimu na watoto.
One more.
Matter to Benjamin Makini, who has just spoken. I want to thank God so much because he has made us proud by making Benjamin, who is our last born son, to really excel very well. We thought that several times we thought that he's going to make it, but we were not very sure that he has to get an A. A plane was like kisungumuti mkuti kidogo. But towards the end, I want to appreciate the school management led by their principal and their class teacher, Madam Judy, that he encouraged these students to really to work very hard. And I'm very happy that Benjamin now is going to take the career that he has been dreaming about, because he has been thinking about being an engineer. And the Kisii School can make several engineers, where Benjamin is going to be one of them, and is going to become a mechatronic engineer. And I'm very proud of that. I want to thank so much some principal Fred, for really encouraging these students. He used to call me several times and telling me that the student is really going to make it. And I'm very happy that at least we have come to this far, and we want to thank the management so much and pray that even those who are in the other classes, they also can make it if they hold hands with the school management and put God first. And so we are very happy for this school. It is a giant school in Kisii County, and we believe that most students are going to be the best because they are in this place.